and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Bhatia. So today in this video you are going to see unboxing of USA Aquageni 15-liter storage water heater. So be in the video till the end so you can get all the information about this in this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you. So this is USA Aquageni 15-liter storage water heater. This water heater comes in 5 colors. In this box we will be able to see USA Moonflower wine color water heater. It has free installation kit inside, and the free installation is also provided by the USA company. So let's come on and open this box and let's see what comes under this box. After opening the box, we are able to see these two connecting pipes, user manual which is provided by the company, and the installation kit is also provided here. It has high grade ABS material of the outer body. This water heater is built with a compact oval shaped body, equipped with a high grade superior puff insulation to reduce heat loss. It has heavy duty magnesium anode rod to prevent rust and corrosion. This enhances the life of a tank and element with the uses of hard water also. This is 5-star rated, energy efficient. It has blue sapphire enamel coating on the tank to prevent the rust and corrosion. Enamel coated tank which can withstand the operating pressure up to 16 bar. It has 6 safety features. It has dry heating protection is also provided here. It has thermal cutout, and it has earthing leakage circuit breaker also. In this water heater, it has 8 years warranty on tank, 3 years warranty on element, 2 years warranty on the product. So let's come and see this water heater from closer. As I have said, it is 5-star rated, and the rated power is 2000 watt. It has 6 safety features. It has also one extra cutout from the plug. It will cut out if there is emergency. It will cut out. The circuit will not flow to the water heater. You can see the color, how it is beautifully decorated, and here it is a switch knob to adjust the heating. This is a switch knob here given, and Aquageni, and here the USA branding. And here it is given 2 connecting knobs with the pipes. Here it is cold water inlet pipe, and this is a hot water through which the hot water will come through it. And if you are planning to buy this product USA Aquageni, then you can surely go for it. The quality of this product is very much good. I have tested it, and if you are planning to buy this product, I will give the information about the product pricing and the MRP of this product in the description below. You can check it out. And thanks for watching this video. You are watching Tech Bhatia, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.